Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, one of my viewers has asked me a question. The question is that when to use over and when to use above. So today I am going to teach you about these two things, over and above. So first let me talk about over. Okay guys? Fine. So I am going to give you the practical example. See, this is the tripod. You can see this tripod here. I have this tripod and this is the keyboard. I have this keyboard. Now in order to say over, what the condition should be, I am going to tell you. See guys, the keyboard is here, the tripod is here. Now the tripod which is down is directly under the keyboard, directly. If the keyboard is here, then I can say that the tripod is not directly under the keyboard. If the keyboard is here, then this tripod is not directly under the keyboard. But when the keyboard is here, then you can see that the tripod is directly under the keyboard. Means you can see this perpendicularly. If this is the condition, instead of keyboard, it could be the roof, it could be anything. Instead of this tripod, it could be you, it could be anything. So in this condition, I would say that the keyboard is over the tripod. The keyboard is over the tripod. I cannot say above. Okay? In order to say above, there is something, different condition. I would come to that point as well. So now just talk about over. The keyboard is over the tripod. Are you getting? So whatever is here, my hand is over the tripod. My hand is over the tripod. Directly, this tripod is just directly under it. Directly under it. If my hand is here, it is not. If my hand is here, you cannot say over. So got the first point? Over. If, see, I'm putting this box, still I can say over. This box is over the tripod. But if this box is here, you cannot say over. So got the first situation of over? Very good. Now let's talk about the another situation. Now, okay, in first situation, I must mention one thing, that there should be gap. It should not be touching. It should not be touching. Okay? Okay, fine. In second condition, still the situation is same. It should not be touching, but something is moving. It is moving and it is crossing from one side of the thing to other side. Like this. So this box is crossing, from one side to another side. So I can say that this box is moving or going or flying over the tripod. Over the tripod. In order to be over, it must be under this box. You cannot say over like this. This tripod and or whichever the object is on down, it should be under this object which is on height. But if this object which is on height is in motion and crossing you, then you can say over. This box is going over the tripod. It could be in this situation also. Okay. If I can tell you, I can show you something. Can you see this box here? Can you see this box here? Okay. So if I am going to just jump, if I am going to jump, so I jumped over this. So there is motion as well as, the height, motion, height, and this object was just coming directly under me. I was in motion. So I just jumped over the box. Whatever this box is, this is carton box. So got it guys? So you got the two situations, without motion, with motion. Now the third situation. Guys, I have this bedsheet here. If I am going to put this bedsheet on the tripod, so if something has covered you, one object has covered the other object, properly covered, and it is touching as well, that time also you can say over. The bed sheet is over the tripod, over the tripod. Some people will think that why not on the tripod, because in on also it touches. But you know, for on what happens, I mean, the thing, if you can see this remote control, if it is here, now I can say that the remote control is on the tripod. It means it is not totally covering it. I mean, this is small and this base is big. So if any small item is on the big base, then I can say that okay, this is on the tripod, or the book is on the table, because book is small and table is big. If book is covering table, then I would say the book is over the table. So the first object has to be in such a big position so that it can cover, it should cover it. So if I am going to cover myself, so I can say that okay, I have put the bedsheet over me. Over me means the bedsheet is covering me properly. Okay, if it covers me properly, so in this situation also you have to say over. Okay, the blanket is over the child. It has covered the child. Got it? So these are the three situations for over. Okay, now where to use above, let me tell you. See, look at this tripod and look at me. Now see the height of the tripod and look at the height of mine. So when there is comparison, you know, I am going to talk about the height of two things, which is at lower height and which is at higher height. So in this situation, you should use above. I am above this tripod. So, or my height is above this tripod height. So I am above this tripod means what? I am not like this. Okay. Above means you are talking about my height is more than the height of the tripod. So when you do any comparison, that time you have to use above. Above any point, there should be a point, you know. So this tripod is the point, and if I am going to say that okay, Chandan is above the tripod, it means I am talking about this point. It means this point is nothing in front of me. I am better than this in terms of height. Are you getting? I am just making you understand in simple English so that everybody can understand properly. Okay. So there should be a point, like, let me tell you. See this. Okay. I am standing here. Look at my height and look at the height of this umbrella. So here, if this is the point, my height is one particular point. So I would say that this umbrella is above my head. So my head is that, you know, referral point. I would say that this is one particular point, and I am going to talk about that something is more than this head, in terms of height. Then what I will say? I will say that this umbrella is above my head. It means more than my head in terms of height. Got it, guys? Look at here. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this board? So this board and this tripod. Now what I will say? That this tripod is above the board. Why above the board? Because look at the point of this board. The height of this board is here, and the height of this tripod is more than the height of this board. So in this condition, I have to say above. That the tripod is above the board. Above the board. I cannot say over. Okay? Got it, guys? Okay. And in above, there is no motion. But in over, there is always shh. Sometimes motion, sometimes no motion, and sometimes touching. So for over, touching is also allowed, motion is also allowed, and without motion is also allowed. So this is all about difference between over and above. Got it, guys? Okay. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have not understood, then watch this video again and again. If you have still not understood, then watch the videos of so many teachers and then try to understand, because the motive is that viewers must understand that what is the difference between over and above. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay connected. See you in another episode. Thank you, guys.